In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Dashlane extension. If you're looking to enhance your online security and manage your passwords efficiently, this guide will walk you through the key features of the Dashlane browser extension. Let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to the Dashlane extension itself. You can find it conveniently located at the top right corner of your browser. Just click on the Dashlane icon, which should be readily visible in your extension bar. This is your starting point for accessing all the powerful features Dashlane has to offer. Once you've opened the extension, you'll notice a tab called the Vault. This is essentially where all your saved logins reside. It's designed to be an easily accessible storage space for your usernames and passwords. This means no more scribbling passwords on sticky notes or trying to remember which login goes with which site. The Vault does that work for you so you can focus on more important things. Next, let's move over to the autofill section. This area is particularly useful if you want to tailor the extension to automatically fill in your login information on websites. In the autofill preferences, you can customize how and when Dashlane inputs your information. This is also where the global preferences come in. These settings allow you to control Dashlane's overall behavior and ensure it aligns with your preferences, whether you're toggling autofill on or off or setting other security features to your liking. The extension provides a high level of customization, enabling you to turn features on or off according to your needs. Maybe you're more comfortable manually entering details on certain websites, or perhaps you want Dashlane to handle everything seamlessly. It's about making the tool work for you in the most personal way. Another standout feature is the password generator. If you're like most of us, creating complex and secure passwords can be a challenge. With Dashlane's generator, you can effortlessly produce strong passwords at the click of a button. If you need a new password, simply hit refresh and the generator will provide you with a fresh, secure option. You can then copy this password and use it wherever you need, keeping your online accounts robust against security threats. Utilizing the Dashlane extension can significantly streamline your internet experience while enhancing security. By familiarizing yourself with the Vault, adjusting the autofill and global preferences, and taking advantage of the password generator, you're setting yourself up for a more efficient and secure online journey. I hope this guide helps you make the most of Dashlane's features. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.